Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are the steps to download and install macOS Sonoma Beta on Mac. First, launch the Safari browser on your Mac, open beta.apple.com, and log in with your Apple ID using your Mac or alternate Apple ID. Here I am authenticating with my signed-in Apple ID. That's an easy way. After logging in, see the option to enroll your devices. Click on it. Scroll to download the macOS Beta Access utility and download the utility DMG file. This installation file will save to your Finder download folder. Find the folder and right-click on it to open it on Mac. Now, run the macOS PublicBetaAccessUtility package file. And follow the on-screen instructions. Skip the Time Machine backup if you don't need to backup your Mac data. Wait for a few seconds after completing the steps, and you will jump into the software update window under the system settings. If your Mac is not showing the update, then make sure the beta update you selected is correct. Click on the I button next to Beta Updates option. And select the macOS Sonoma Public Beta option from the drop-down options menu. Now, wait for more time to see your Mac system's pending beta software update. Click on Update Now to start the download macOS Sonoma Beta software. And wait to finish it. After completing this step, click on Restart Now your Mac to install macOS Sonoma on your Mac. Sit back and enjoy the macOS Sonoma on your Mac. Anytime we can downgrade and install macOS Ventura. Follow the video given in the top I button to check the video description. For more help, comment and subscribe for more tips. Also, don't miss to like if this video was found helpful.